morning everyone. Welcome to the Philippines. Look at that fantastic viewpoint which is located in Apo Island. It looks amazing. Me and Alvin had a good time over there. In this video, I'm going to share my experience when I was there. At the same time, I'm going to show you how to get there. So get ready.
My name is Alvin.
Alvin?
Yeah.
If anybody coming Apo Island, take Alvin. Alvin is a photographer, guide, and everything. He's a very good snorkeling guy. He helps you a lot. Hi.
Oh.
We're just crossing the elementary school. So Alvin taking care of me for the trip here right now. Room for rent. 500 pesos only?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
500 pesos? I was a little bit upset because last night I paid for a room 2000 pesos. But in this beautiful island, rooms are available for 500 pesos. So when I saw that, I was a little bit upset. Kids are playing over here. Hi, hello. How are you? Hello. Oh, yeah. In this island, everyone was happy. You can see some happy kids over there.
Hi, how are you?
Wow. From here to viewpoint almost like 600 meter. 200 meter you have a nice road. After that you have to climb up. You can see 3 men returning from the viewpoint. So from here you need to climb up. So 400 meter from here. So that's the traffic going to the viewpoint right now. It is cheap but can manageable. The first 100 meter it is really hard, but Alvin smashed down very fast because he is local. I'm a little bit struggling. Lucky enough we have a support half of the way. Still it looks a little bit tough. So we are approaching first viewpoint. This viewpoint is very small. A lot of people misunderstood. Maybe see here and return back. But I have to tell you guys, this is not the viewpoint. You need to walk a little bit more, like a 200 meter. So we reached a small viewpoint first. The view is not bad, but we are not came for this view. Yeah, that's a beautiful place. See that?
Sikihor, Mindanao.
Yeah.
Here.
That is Sikihor.
Yeah.
Yesterday I was there. Yesterday this path leads somewhere.
Yeah, we go over there, and then that is a.
That's a viewpoint.
Yeah. Okay for you?
Yeah, sure. So you take this path to go to the main viewpoint, which is another 200 meter from here. So from here on, the path is not paved. You need to walk carefully, otherwise you will fall down badly and you will get injured. If you like this video so far, please like and comment below and subscribe. Share this video to your friends. That would be awesome. After this, the way was a little bit more scarier than previous one. Looks like we are walking inside the jungle. Without Alvin, I didn't think so I will find this place. At the same time, I don't think so I can go alone. I won't recommend you guys also. Please don't go alone. Take somebody with you. This is the place I'm really scared. See, there is no way. We are walking in the jungle. This is how it look like. We almost close by. but pretty soon we get the clear view, so I'm okay with that. It is almost like a 20 minutes time to reach there, but the first 5 minutes very easy. After that it's going to be very tough. And that's the viewpoint video. See the viewpoint. When you go down there, it's fantastic views. Oh my god, see the view. Look at the water. Crystal clear aqua blue. I'm really happy I was here. Have a look. Wow. See the view from here. And you can see some of the snorkeling boats are there. People doing snorkeling over there. Now the time to fly my drone. One thing I want to tell you guys, in this island, the wind is too strong. If you see my drone video, my drone is barely handling the wind. I was so afraid I will lose the drone. That reason I didn't fly my drone very far. People who come for Apo Island, if we didn't come for the viewpoint, you never see this side of the beauty. Only this viewpoint can show you the beauty of the other side. I will totally recommend you guys for the sunset or sunrise for this place. That view will be fantastic. If you are visiting Dumagati Island, you must come to the Apo Island and enjoy the beauty. At the same time, you can watch the sea turtle. That experience no other island cannot give. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and comment below and subscribe. Share to your friends. That would be awesome. I see you guys in another video soon. Thank you.